and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Kallie Branciforte. If you're not new here, you know that I love the Dollar Tree. I mean, some people have gone as far as even saying that I am a Dollar Tree specialist. Yeah, nobody's called me that, but if somebody wants to, I'm willing to accept the title. Anyways, holding the title of Dollar Tree Specialist, self-given or not, means that I have really done the legwork to find the best products from the Dollar Tree, and today I'm going to share with you those of them that fit into the storage category. Alright, none of this saving the best item for last nonsense. I'm sharing my favorite storage item from the Dollar Tree first, and that is the locker bins. They come in a ton of different colors, which usually change seasonally, but you can almost always find them in like white. What I love about them is they're just so stinking versatile. They are I don't know how to explain that they are the perfect size. I feel like the Dollar Tree people did some sort of research and they're like, what is the perfect size for a storage container? And this is it. I don't know. It fits into pantries perfect, fits into closets, fits into wardrobes, and I use it to store so much stuff. So if you saw my kitchen organization video, I use these in my pantry to organize like lots of miscellaneous things. I also use these in my son's nursery. He kind of has like these built-in wardrobes that came with the house when we bought them, and it had this like empty space along the top, and so I actually just have a bunch of these, and I got these little chalkboard nameplates for 50 cents at Michael's, and I use these to just like label a bunch of his miscellaneous toys. And the other thing I like about these is I feel like they have a cult following because I've seen so many amazing DIYs using these. Just go to Pinterest or Google and type in like Dollar Tree locker bin DIYs, and there's so many ways you can upcycle these as well, but you will find a million uses for these. Like I said, they're just the most like perfect versatile size. Okay, next is the over-the-door hooks that you can get. They look like this. Obviously, they're great because you can just hook them on the back of a door and you instantly have storage. So this is great for just like hanging towels, throwing up jackets or whatever. But I also like these because you can get pretty crafty with them. Okay, so I want to show you a really easy way to upcycle these. I'm going to link some of the really creative DIYs that I've seen with these. So anyways, I used the inspiration from those to create this, which essentially I just combined two of the hangers together to create a double hanger. So all you have to do in this instance is you're going to take one of them and you're going to straighten out the like over the door hook piece. You can actually use your hands. I use needle nose pliers because it's a little bit easier. And then you're going to just combine them together with zip ties. You can get zip ties right at the Dollar Tree. But anyways, that's all I had to do. If you want to be really fancy, you obviously could spray paint it all one color, but because my zip ties are white and this is white, totally works. Also, this is like going behind my basement door, so I'm not like super concerned about it. But I love this because now you get double the hooks. So it's a winner in my book. Okay, another favorite from the Dollar Tree are these ones. Now these are a little smaller than the locker bins, obviously, but I like these because they have tops on them, which means they are stackable. So really great for places where you have like a lot of space and you want to be able to stack a ton of stuff along the top. Now, the one thing I will say about these is they're not like locking lids by any means. They hold on when you flip them upside down, but they're not like super sturdy. If I had a bunch of heavy stuff in here, the top would probably fall off. But if you just need like basic storage bins, nice top, stackable, these are awesome. Only $1. It's the best price you're gonna find on these. Another item that I love getting in the kitchen section is the organizing baskets. These are like specifically for organizing drawers. These are really great for, well, organizing drawers. I use them in kitchens and bathrooms. Great for those drawers where you have a lot of small things and it's really easy for things to become like junk drawers. What's perfect is they come in so many different shapes. You can really make the sort of like arrangement that works for you. And they actually, you might not know this, but they actually clip together so that you can prevent them from sliding around too much. So once you get the configuration you want, you can clip them together. Okay, this next one is a newer find to me. I'm not sure if it's new to the Dollar Tree or if Jeff's never seen it before, because I actually found it in like the teacher section, and it is these storage containers. They're like low and skinny, and these ones actually have locking tops. The reason I picked them up is because I figured they were perfect for my son's toys that have tons of pieces. Like here I have his little like wooden bead sets that like they go everywhere all the time, but I could see you using this a million different ways in your home as well. These are also designed to be stackable, so you could do a ton up the top. So the lock function is really good, like it does not come out, it's not like flimsy, it doesn't fall off, and I love that they're clear. Personally, for stackable type storage, I like it to be clear because I like to be able to see what's inside. Okay, next up is the plastic laundry baskets. Now, just as a laundry basket, I wouldn't say that these things are like life-changing. If I'm gonna do laundry, I'm gonna be doing more than this small little basket worth. I don't even remember a time in my life where this was considered a full load of laundry because it's not anymore. I do like these for just other general storage. They're good for outdoor storage, good for beach storage, but like the locker tins, there have been so many amazing DIYs shared with these. Okay, so just hopping on here really quick because I was gonna recreate a DIY I had done with these laundry baskets to show you. You need twine for this, and I went down to my basement and I couldn't find my twine anywhere, even though I know that I have it. Also, in order to go through my basement, I had to walk through my kitchen, which included this. Dirty sink. Stuff that needs to get put away. Also, my child did this. So instead, for my well-being, I think I'll just show you guys the tutorial that I've already filmed for a previous video, and I'll go and clean my kitchen. The first DIY we are going to tackle is this DIY rope basket. This is perfect to put all of your snuggly blankets in, and you can make this basket using one of the little laundry hamper baskets that come from the Dollar Tree. Using these rolls of twine, I'm going to glue the twine to the bottom of the hamper. Once the bottom row is done, you can wrap a couple of rows at a time, stopping every 4 or 5 rows to put a little bit more glue to secure it in place. Using 2 extra pieces of twine, I'm just going to create little handles by tying it off to the inside of the laundry hamper. And then I'm going to cover the top piece so that it's totally covered in twine as well. And then that was it. This basket is totally done. I love how cute and cozy this looks. Okay, my last favorite that I want to share with you is their glass storage. This is one that's been in my guest bathroom for a long time. It's just a glass mason jar with a little gold top. They also sell little ones like this. These are great for when you are storing something, specifically if you have like an open shelf concept, if you're in a bathroom, if you're going to be putting them out on a counter, because this instantly makes things look a little cleaner and nicer. I just love because they're glass, they feel a little bit more like sturdy and upscale, a little bit nicer. So for me, these glass products are always big winners because you can find lots of different ways to use them. All right, my friends, that does it for my favorite storage items from the Dollar Tree. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video.